Welcome back to my channel. This is Dionne from Dionne's Jewelry Avenue. Surprisingly, today I've got an order. A shout out to Caitlin for placing this order. She ordered the pineapple earrings right here, the caramel bubble drink. She also ordered the handcuff necklace right here. I don't know if you can see that. Right here. Also, she ordered the paperclip smiley face right here. It's not that often I get orders, I've been on Etsy since May, and I might get an order every other week, once a month. So when I get an order, I'm very excited. So let's package this up. I like to put the earrings on these cards right here. And down at the bottom, I wrote handmade by Dionne's Treasures. Thank you for your support. Dionne's Treasure is my Etsy account. And Dionne's Jewelry Avenue is my Shopify account. So I have two businesses going. But like I said, I am very grateful whenever I do get an order. Even if it's just one order, an order is an order. Please don't mind my nails. I'm about to do my hair, so I said there's no point in me doing my nails. Put this in this baggie. I'm sure one day I will get more orders, but for now I'm just happy if I just get one or two. An order is an order. And let me turn this on the other side. Like I said, I'm just happy. Very happy to get an order. I don't know how some of these people you be seeing they have like 500 orders, 800 orders. I don't know how they do it without getting all stressed out. This chain one. And I like to put the chain inside a little baggie. That way the chain does not get all messed up. Put this in here. Close that up. And for this right here, I have like a stamp that I got from Hobby Lobby that says handmade with love. And here's the Freedom handcuff, which is on my Etsy account store. Shout out to my beautiful, handsome son who's always editing my videos for me. Thank you. Thank you. I try not to make these too long for him. But he always tells me he doesn't mind. And I greatly appreciate it. Because those who know me know that technology is not my friend. No matter how many YouTube videos I watch, and it still takes me a while to get the hang of things. Let's put in a beautiful pink baggie. Don't forget the card. Here's my card, the care card, and a thank you card. Get the other necklace, earrings. Make sure we got everything. I like to put like a little check mark to show I got everything. And I also like to write a little note at the bottom saying thank you for your purchase. Wouldn't mind going back, leaving a positive review, and maybe take a picture wearing it. Put the stuff in here. packaging slip. Close this up. I like to put like a little sticker on the top of it. That way no one could get in there. And of course, fragile. Once again, thank you, Caitlin, for this purchase. And I will see you in the next video. Thank you. Oh, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.